I'm so excited to show you how to decorate your own candle that you just made. I'm going to decorate it with some lavender sticks here, 2 pieces of lavender, and then I'm gonna take some twine and have a little label here. And like I said, this is for my beautiful friend Candace. So I'm gonna, put a little message on there. I'm gonna put to love is to know Candace. And so then we can take our twine around here, tie it around one time, and then we can actually take our lavender sticks here and we can slide it in. And if y'all want to add a little bit more to the top, you can. If you want to add a little bit more lavender, just kind of have it like sitting at the top. If you want to add a little bit more rose quartz, that's really fun too. Do what feels good to you. What is in your home? Do you want to add a flower? Do you want to add anything else to just kind of give it a little bit more really just go to town, have fun, and just be free. Don't think too much about it. And that is how you decorate your DIY candle.
Are you looking for more product advice and wisdom from me?
Or me?
Or me?
Hit that subscribe button or head over to thedesirecompany.com for more classes, how-tos, and reviews.